Hi everybody. In this video we're going to set out to do 3 things in your Canvas courses, which is our learning management system at Maricopa. And what you do in following these guidelines in the video are not going to help you just for this course, but for all of your courses. We're going to do 3 things. The first thing you're going to do is to set your photo in your Canvas account. You're going to add your cell phone to your account, and you are going to set your notifications in your account. And these things will go across all the courses that you're taking. So to set your photo, if you haven't done it yet, if you have already done this, go ahead and move forward to the next thing. But if you haven't, as you are in Canvas, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this icon here that says Account. And when you click on it, you're going to go right here where it says Profile. And when you click on Profile, you're going to come over here where it says Edit. And when you go to Edit, if you hover over the picture, and you'll either have one or not have one, when you click on the pencil right there, you can upload a picture, you can take a picture, you can choose a picture. I'm going to go ahead and upload a picture. And I'm going to find a picture on my desktop. And I can move this to wherever I want that to look. Going to save it. And then I've got a picture right there. You can also change, your name, your title, however you want to do that there. If you want to add any information, you can. But for our purposes, all you need to do is set that picture. If you don't want to have your own image in there, you can choose an image that is representative of you. It really doesn't matter. We just want something there. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click Save Profile. And then you'll notice that my account picture there has been changed. So now if you go to Account, the next thing we're going to do is to look at notifications. So I'm going to click on Notifications, and under Notifications, actually I apologize, we're not going to go to Notifications, we're going to go to Settings. And under Settings, what you want to do is add a contact method. And under this, what you're going to do is click on it and add your cell phone number. When you add your cell phone number, you'll select your carrier, whatever your carrier is, and then it'll have something there. You don't need to change that. Don't worry about it. And then you're going to click Register. So I'm going to show you that again. It's extremely important that you have your cell phone number under here. So again, contact method, you're going to add a contact method. You're going to click right there. You're going to add your phone number. You're going to choose your carrier, and then you're going to register. You can also, if you would like, add another email address. If you have a Google address that you would like to have, a Gmail address that you would like to have here other than your Chandler Gilbert email, you can go ahead and do that as well. But for us, the most important thing is having a cell phone number attached. Once you've done that, and again, that is under Settings, we're going to go up to Notifications. And under Notifications, the thing that I am most concerned about is what we call here push notifications. And what push notifications do is it will send you a notification via your cell phone or your email, or in both, now that you have them both here, for very particular things. the things that we would like you to make sure that you have a push notification sent to. And if you notice, they all come out here as X's, which means you aren't getting a push notification. You don't want push notifications for everything. You only want push notifications for some things. You can, if you would like, get a push notification anytime something is graded. You can click on that to get a push notification for that. Anytime you get a comment by your instructor, we want you to get a push notification for that. We find in online classes that sometimes people don't see the comments that instructors are giving them with their grades. So we always want to make sure that you know when something is graded and when you get a submission. Please notice that these push notifications will happen for all your classes, not just this class. So that's why you don't want to check mark every single thing. The other thing that we want to make sure that you click on and add to your push notifications is conversation message. This is the way we communicate to you through your Canvas inbox. So when you click on that and you check mark that, then anytime I send the class or you a message through Canvas, through the Canvas inbox, you are going to get a push notification on your phone and an email. The push notification is extremely important on your phone. That way you are going to be able to message us as soon as you get that or close to it. This week, one of your assignments is to send me a message as soon as I send out an inbox message to you. If you have this on your notifications, then you can send me an email back right away. And that's how I know you have that push notification done. And once you've done that, then you are good to go. Take care, and I hope this helps to clear anything up as far as what you're doing and setting your notifications. All the best.